How to install the EOT knife blade. When you receive the machine, turn in the black circle and remove the EOT head. Remove the knife cover. Use the spanner to untight the screw, knife holder screw. And remove the blade. This is a knife holder. Now install the blade. Tighten the screw, knife holder screw. Totally have 2 screws. Okay, now install the cover, knife cover. There is a hose and there is a red mark, and on the machine there is red mark. Tight the EOT by this rod, steel rod. Connect the cable, EOT cable, on the machine. Now EOT knife blade installation is finished.